Hello students, I welcome you all to another session of the private class with the Millennium Teacher. This is the class that teaches the lessons of life based on facts. The class that inspires, motivates, and transforms an individual into a better person. You are welcome to this class. Today, I would like to announce to you all that the private class is going on a recess. Yes, the class has been ongoing for over 3 months now, and at this point we are going to have a break. We're going on a recess for some time, by the grace of God, at least a month or so. The reason why we're going on a recess is in order for your teacher to have time to put the notes together and get them available for you guys, so that all of you be able to get a copy of the handouts. Like I said, we'll be having so many handouts which we'll be using to learn the lessons of life. Like I told you, there are so many things we are going to learn in this class. We have not started the lessons yet. I can say all this we have been doing has been introduction, just introductory part of the lessons of life. Yes, there are so many lessons that we are going to learn here in this class. I assure you that if we continue to follow up, you're going to learn a lot more. Don't forget that this break does not mean the class has come to an end or the class is over. No, I have told you already the reason for the recess. I assure you that this class will be resumed when necessary things are put in place. And when we come back, we'll take this class to the next level, a higher dimension. It is my earnest desire to make this class a live program, wherein you guys will be in attendance. People will come to attend the class. Not only attend online, but you attend physically, and we get to interact with each other. By the grace of God, we hope to put things in place as we move along. But for now, we're going to have a recess. But before the recess, I would just like to remind us of the things we have been doing so far in this class. In the lesson number 1, we did the introduction to the class, talking about the lessons of life. We stated that life is a lesson, and the best way to live it is by learning. We made mention of the types of education. In lesson 2, we defined those types of education. The 4 main types of education, according to this class, we have that we are domestic education, religious education, academic education, and technical education. We went further in lesson 3 and made mention of the classes of life, that we all belong to various classes, being that life is a lesson. We all are put in various classes, and we all cannot be in the same class of life. Why? Because we learn different lessons. We go through different challenges in life. We encounter different things in life, and so we all have different ways of dealing with those challenges, those things that we go through in life. And so those things land us in different levels of life, so we cannot be in the same class. As we move along in lesson 4, we define those classes of life. Number 1 being the first or high class, number 2 the second or middle class, and number 3 the third or lower class. Those are the classes of life that we talked about. In lesson 5, we dealt with 2 facts about the classes of life. Lesson 6, we continue the fact of the classes of life as well. In lesson 7, we started talking about the tests and exams of life. That's the challenges, the difficulties, and the problems or temptations or sufferings which we encounter in life are the tests and exams of life. They qualify us for promotion to different classes in life. In lesson 8, we also talk about another fact of the classes of life. Your tests or exams are not beyond your level. And I want you to know that the facts about the classes of life, we did not finish dealing with them. A lot of facts you are going to learn related to the class of life to which you belong as we move along in this class. In lesson 9, we introduce exam malpractice. We talk about exam malpractice, to define it and also explain how it relates to the school of life. In lesson 10, we dealt with the forms of exam malpractice, wherein we made mention of one of those forms which has to do with carrying foreign materials in the exam hall. We dealt with it to some extent, which I believe you understood. So we are supposed to continue from lesson 11 with the forms of exam practice and do other things. But we are going on a recess, and when we resume, I believe we'll continue our class. I hope and pray that whatever you have learned here, you'll be able to put it in practice and see positive changes in your life. And don't forget, even as we go for the recess, continue studying your notes, especially the textbook. You have to continue studying the textbook. There are so many lessons here which you can study for yourself and learn them yourself, so that when we come back, by the time we'll be studying some of those lessons, you will be on board, you will flow with us by the grace of God. So as you stay home, keep studying, work on yourself, acquire more knowledge in order to be able to pass those tests and exams that you go through every day. Every day we are faced with different tests and exams. You have to learn more and more to be able to pass those tests and exams. So to this point, I would like to thank you all for being with us here in this class. Like I told you, I hope to have this class in a physical form. I hope to have you all, we all sit together, interact, have this class in a physical form, in a physical classroom where we interact with each other and learn the lessons of life. By the grace of God, we pray that God will make the necessary provisions and see us through in everything we need to do to put this class in order, by the grace of God. So till we meet again after the recess, I have been your teacher, Solomon Joseph Kekura. Class dismissed.